As I bid farewell to Abu Dhabi, the realization hits me like a wave. I'm officially solo traveling, like no assistance from the airline or anything. This adventure is entirely mine to navigate. So ready or not, Thailand, here I come. All right guys, I'm getting ready to board for my flight to Bangkok. This is flight number 2 for me. And then tomorrow flight 2, okay. So yeah. 2 more stamps in my passport. Alright, see you guys later. Welcome, sawadee, mahaban, namaste, hola, привет, kaiso, konnichiwa. We're all family here, so subscribe and share. Get your free ebook in the description below so we can travel on a budget together. So before we explore terminal, I think it's 3, and that's like a lot more shopping, but this is terminal 1, and you have a lot more restaurants, and I actually really like Terminal 1 better. It's all the way at the top, and there's McDonald's here. There's a Indian naan place, and I'm like, oh my goodness, this looks so good. Other than that, there are a lot more lounge. There's a lot more like lounging chairs and areas for children to sit. So if you have an opportunity and you think it's really chaotic in Terminal 3, definitely come upstairs and just relax a little bit, because there's just so much stuff going on in Terminal 3, and that's where you do a lot of the luxury shopping. Hermes is there. I think Tag watches. More high-end perfume places are down there too. So if you want to get away from all the noise and chaos, come up to Terminal. And those are really nice. Hey guys, there's one thing that I forgot to mention to you. If you are flying, if you're flying from Abu Dhabi to another location, like if this is your layover and you're only flying carry-on, if your luggage, your personal and your carry-on are over 7 kilograms, they will go ahead and weigh them and take your luggage and check that bag. I had my bag checked and I wasn't charged, but I believe it was around 11 kilograms. So just be mindful of that. I didn't have to weigh my luggage when I was in the States. I checked in online and then immediately went to TSA. So I can't tell you too much about if you have to do that, if you're leaving from Chicago like I did, but just be mindful that when you are flying carry-on and like your personal items internationally, it seems that you have to have your bags weighed. As I bid farewell to Abu Dhabi, the realization hits me like a wave. I'm officially solo traveling, like no assistance from the airline or anything. This adventure is entirely mine to navigate. So ready or not, Thailand, here I come. Landing in Bangkok, I had a myriad of tasks looming ahead. Finding my hotel, securing my funds, deciding where I'm going to eat, or even what I'm going to eat. Arriving at nighttime really made me more aware of my surroundings and to be extremely cautious while I'm withdrawing money from the ATM machine. Just to make sure that I wasn't getting scammed and I wasn't putting myself in an area to be a target. English is good. My Thai is bad.
74.
Thai on top. Thank you. Kapun ka. Kapun ka. Kapun.
สวัสดีครับ
But these are the moments that allow for personal growth, adaptability. Now the hotel, it was picked because it was strategically located near public transportation, and I knew how easy it was to get around Japan. So in my mind, it would be similar in Thailand. So guys, I just made it to the hotel and that room was nasty. So I want to see if I can change my room, because there was like food and empty bottles in there. I really just want to take a shower in a nice clean bed. That's all I'd ask. I mean, it wasn't expensive, but I still paid staying in a nice room. So that's what I want. All right. Back downstairs we go. He said things are open late, so if I can't find anything I want, I'll probably end up going to 7-Eleven. Also, I don't know. I was stuck at like what to do, if I should get a taxi or take the public transportation. So I ended up taking an app that they have called Grab, and it was pretty cool, not too bad. The lady I met actually helped me out to figure out how to get where I needed to be. So she spoke really good Thai. So shout out to her, she was so nice. But I'm like 2 hours late, so I'm kind of tired. So I went down there and I let them know that the room is a little dirty, so I got upgraded. So now I'm on the hunt for my new room. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, this is very nice. Okay. Way cleaner than my other room. Let's see what this view is giving. Subway is right there for easy access tomorrow. I'm tired. Alright, let's check out this bathroom. Okay. So this is what the bathroom is giving. Oh, this is big. Way bigger than the other one. I will say this is very remnant of a Japanese hotels that I stayed in, except there's no house shoes or an outfit for you to wear to go to sleep. Some ear cleaners, some soap, some bath soap, probably a toothbrush. Yeah. I am thankful for the upgrade. This looks like a lot of room. Did I lie? Is this an actual? Oh no, they actually give you a robe. This is nice. So guys, I couldn't find really good lighting and I was tired, so like I'm definitely laying on this bed, which I hope is clean. So far about the Asia Hotel Bangkok, I honestly looked at what some other solo travelers had suggested, and the one thing that like really stuck out to me was the fact that it was attached to the subway. And I'm like, great, that's an extra bonus. Because I have an early flight tomorrow. But guess what I don't have to do? I don't have to carry both of my luggage, because when my bag got checked in Abu Dhabi, it got sent to Phuket. Right? So less stuff I have to carry, but luckily I always keep the essentials in my travel personal bag. So I have the good stuff to clean, but I have to be re-wearing some clothes, but hey. It's just what happens. I told you guys this is the second room I'm in. I will be coming back to Thailand on my way going back home. I have 2 layovers, like back to back, but like a layover in Bangkok going, a layover coming back, and then I have a layover going back to Abu Dhabi. So that one's gonna be a 24-hour layover, so I'll have to go ahead and do some more exploring. I don't want to go back to the desert. Yeah, I kind of want to see some more cultural stuff. Like I definitely wanted to go and like be a part of seeing how things are done, like customary in the Udayan culture. But it's probably like, it really did come off like super touristy, and it just put me on guard a little bit. But the Olive Hotel was so nice. It just made me feel so much better and like a lot safer than my traumatic experience to the desert. I mean, granted, I met great people, the food was good, I came back in one piece, but I'm not gonna lie to you, not having toilet paper and seeing piss everywhere made me want to steal some toilet paper from the hotel, because I don't want to be put in that situation again. So yeah. I have so high standards, like having been to Japan, that the smallest thing just like throws me off completely. But hopefully you guys can like kind of see my experience, and that could help you with your journeys. I for sure need to make sure I get onto Halafly. It's like an eSIM because I have no data, nothing works, and apparently this is very American of me. No one's English is good, and my Thai is bad. And I think I've been telling people I love them instead of thank you. Yeah, it happens. So I definitely want to make sure I get that data working because it allows you to make sure you know where you're going on Google Maps. It also allows you to use Google Translate and also to make calls because what I'm noticing just in my little brief time here in Thailand, Wi-Fi is not free and it doesn't seem to carry very long distances in comparison to being in Japan where each city kind of has its overarching Wi-Fi, which is really, really nice when it works. No shade, but I'm just being honest. I will say in comparisons to other Asian rooms, besides the princess room that I stayed in Kyoto, this is a pretty large sized room. Yeah. Coming back, I'll be staying in a hostel because my flight is at 2 a.m. So maybe I should have stayed here because I'd be by the track, but I kind of didn't want to sleep and just meet people. Yeah. So on that note, I'm going to go see if I can get the SIM card to work, go to 7-Eleven to get some breakfast and some snacks because I'm kind of sick of eating animal crackers. And then I'm going to take a shower and we should be good. The only thing is, the only outfit I have is the outfit I wore to the desert. So I hope there's not too much sand in that because I'm sick of wearing the same sweatshirt over and over again, but it's warm. So I'll probably just wear that like while I'm like flying. Shout out to Ihad being very good headed to Thailand. Good. Good morning, guys. Just woke up, got dressed. It's about 7 o'clock a.m. A little late, hour late, getting ready. Headed back to the airport using subway for the first time. And then at 8 a.m. is when my flight is. I hope it's not. I'm saying the timeline. I'll let you guys know what time it is. We are in Bangkok. The sun is coming up. It's looking pretty nice. I think I have to go buy a ticket, so we'll just go ahead and do that. So yeah, I need to know what money is. It was actually 10 baht. So I have a card, so you just tap it, kind of like how you do in Japan. It's so hot here. I don't know what she said. The morning train to the airport, I needed a lot of help. It was definitely not self-explanatory, but luckily there were a lot of people there who were patient and helped me, and it really gave me a good view of seeing how beautiful the Thai culture and Bangkok was. The humidity there was so extreme in comparison to the Middle East where I just came from, so I had to constantly stay hydrated. I really thought that getting on the train was hard, but I don't have a boarding pass, so now I have to find Bangkok Air to get to my final destination, which is Phuket. But this place is very, very confusing and large. By not having my roller luggage, that also provided me a blessing and a curse at the same time, because the blessing being that I had less stuff to worry about. The curse being that whatever I had in my backpack was all I had until I made it to Phuket. Step 2. Guys, I'm sweating bullets. It's hot. And since I'm taking a domestic flight, I do not need to get another passport stamp. This airport is really nice, but it's almost as large as Madrid and a little difficult to get around. I'm really happy that I practiced some Thai. It's been pretty useful. Definitely need to go get some money from somewhere. The guy told me to get a SIM card. No, I'm okay. So once I get there, then we will go ahead and conquer the next hill of probably using Grab to get a ride to the hotel. So I'll probably put that in my phone now as I wait to board. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab any food to kind of move along. They have food stalls here. I haven't really seen any of the exotic foods that they have like at McDonald's. They have a pasta. Take me back to Japan. I miss Japan. So word to the wise, if you end up doing a route like me, your baggage will probably end up at your last destination. So definitely make sure that you have your necessary items, clothes, personal items in your personal bag. And if you keep watching, we'll go into detail about how I spent almost 2 hours trying to find my luggage that they lost in the airport. Despite the brief layover, the early morning glimpse of Bangkok's charm leaves me yearning for more. Nighttime restrictions on open establishments serve as a lesson for future tourists. A morning layover to fully immerse themselves into Thailand's vibrant culture. My solo journey was filled with challenges but triumphs, and this becomes a testament to the resilience found in stepping out of one's comfort zone. If you've made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below, and I will see you guys in Phuket. All right, bye!